Elephant.
Heffalump.
Elephant.
Heffalump. What?
Pendulum.
Pendulum.
That's Mr.
No, it's a metronome. Metronome.
Which is made out of a pendulum.
That's a small man who dresses very well. Metronome. Get it? I'll explain it to you when you get older.
Yes, like when she's fancy.
Metro isn't offensive.
Who is this? Is this Mozart?
No, it's Mozart.
Since it's called Baby Mozart.
Mozart. Huh?
We never got her $10.
What?
She has no key.
For what? Oh, well, you got no key. It's 11:13. Cut. Oh, it looks like Mr. Buggy. Where's Mr. Buggy? It looks like Mr. Buggy. How did your Mr. Buggy get into the television?
Oh, is it Mr. Buggy's, I think?
Yeah. How did the buggy get into the television?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Well, are we getting bored with Mozart and Einstein? Huh? What? Am I what?
No, it was like you said what? And she said it again.
Oh, what are you, deaf? Oh. Oh, oh dear. Oh, you don't like this part? Well? Huh? Well?
Hey, Dean!
Well?